Today's CII AGM was attended by top business leaders and industrialists like Sunil Mittal, Adi Godrej and Malvinder Singh. Here's what some of them had to say after Rahul Gandhi's speech.
It was a very good enunciation of the need to involve all the people of India, grassroots democracy.
Are you disappointed that he didn't speak specifically about policy per se?
No, because that's not his realm. He's a member of parliament.
He spoke more about inclusive.
He's a vice president of the Congress party. We have several other speakers who are in the economic ministries and etc. who will, and the Prime Minister spoke. So we were not at all disappointed. I thought it was an excellent session.
I think today was a rare inspirational speech ever made by a political leader to the business community. I think every person in the room and millions watching would have been heavily inspired. Mr. Gandhi acknowledged the power of technology, what projects like telecommunications have done. Importantly, I think he sought collaboration of different segments of society, in particular business to collaborate with the government, with the poor sections of society.
The point is he spoke about it from a very large and a very macro perspective. So, in his first session, you don't expect him to give you every answer. But I think what he was really talking, I think what he was talking very clearly was about his vision, about where he sees India, the opportunity, about ensuring inclusivity of people, which is very critical for us as a country, and about being able to change the system, which is more decentralized, which is very relevant and very important.
And for the second straight day, the market sold off heavily after foreign funds started selling in the last 30 minutes of trade on Wednesday.